Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm going to talk about glutathione, the major antioxidant in your whole body. So glutathione is mainly produced in the liver, but it's also manufactured as well in the skin. But it's the liver that we want to concentrate on. So when we get older, we start to lose our glutathione levels, and the sicker we are, the more we're going to need glutathione, especially if you have things like autoimmune diseases. So you need to be taking the glutathione to stop the chronic inflammation, and that goes for all chronic illnesses, because at the root of all our illnesses we have that burning fire. It's the inflammation that we need to put out. So we have to put things in that are going to stop our inflammation. So glutathione is naturally made in our liver, but as we age, as I've just said, we start to lose it. So this is why we need to potentially take a supplement of it. So you can buy glutathione, or you can also take other things such as NAC, which will allow your body to make the glutathione in the liver, as well as some other things with foods, which I will go through in a second. So all of this is covered in my new book, How to Beat Coronaviruses and Other Viruses Naturally. So you can find it all in there. I'm going to just run through a few things here to talk about glutathione, the master antioxidant. So it's a key agent in the body's cleansing process, and it's helpful in cleaning out chemicals from the air that we're breathing in, and also those heavy metals. So it helps to detoxify heavy metals out of our body. And those heavy metals include, if you're not clued up on them, things like the mercury, the fluoride, the aluminium, and the lead. These are all heavy metals that wreak havoc on our whole body and immune system. So if we're not drawing them out of our body, we begin to get sick. The other problem with heavy metals is they start to mimic certain vitamins and minerals inside your body, one of them being zinc, and zinc is essential for immune support. So I've mentioned zinc in my second book because it's very much needed for things like COVID-19 and other viruses as well, but it's also essential for skin, hair and nails. There's a chapter in it in the second book, so you can read all about it there if you'd like to get a copy. So just running through a few of the benefits. So one is it's detoxifying, so it's helping to detoxify your liver. Immune balance, so if you have a very weak immune system, which all relates to your gut health, which is, you remember, 70 to 80% of your immune system, then we also need to be taking things to support our immune health, so glutathione. It's anti-inflammatory, so again, all chronic illnesses come from inflammation, so you need to be taking things to stop the inflammation. As I've said, you need to have, if you have an autoimmune disease, or if you're trying to help yourself recover from an autoimmune disease, which is what I specialise in. Also, Zaps free radicals. So free radicals are what cause aging. So if you want to slow down the aging process, if you don't want to get wrinkles quite as fast, then you need to up the antioxidant glutathione. Now we're going to cover a few foods. So we can eat foods that will naturally help us produce more glutathione in the liver. So I'm going to cover a few of these. Now, one of them is not a food, but it is milk thistle. So you know milk thistle is fantastic for your liver health. So anything that is really great for your liver health is naturally going to help with your glutathione production. Many people do not have healthy livers, and because of that there's a stagnation happening in the liver. Imagine it's your filter. It is your filter, and it needs to be cleaned and detoxified, and if you're clogging it up all the time, then your glutathione is not going to work, but neither are your hormones, because your hormones filter through the liver, so it has to be functioning well. So milk thistle is good if you're on a cleanse and you want to take it. The food wise, we've got avocado, we've got asparagus, and we've got all your sulphur rich vegetables. So I follow a plant-based diet myself because it helped me to heal from my autoimmune condition and the radioactive iodine treatment that I've had as well. So if you're not familiar with sulphur rich vegetables, we're thinking more like the broccoli. The broccoli sprouts are amazing. They're higher in the sulphur than the broccoli itself. So the broccoli sprouts are mentioned in my first book, Beauty and the Gut. And then you've also got things like cauliflower as well. So more of these vegetables getting into your body. You can also take a supplement form of it as well if you want something quick. I know people don't want to always eat vegetables. So that's just an introduction to glutathione. If you would like to read more about it, you can refer to my new book, How to Beat Coronaviruses and Other Viruses Naturally. I've also mentioned that it helps with respiratory issues and asthma too. And they found that cancer, autism, and other health issues will have low glutathione levels. So chronic illnesses all need to have an increase in their glutathione. So please make sure you are thinking about your glutathione if you are on a path to healing, which is what I do. Now, if anyone would like me to do more of these videos, I will intend on putting more of them onto YouTube with lots of different information to help you heal your body naturally. So please click the like button and subscribe. Otherwise, you can pick both my books up on Amazon, and you can also join me on Instagram at Holistic Danny for more inspiration, hopefully. I don't want you to settle for just ill health. I want you to feel an amazing health. I'm here with you on this journey. I've been on my path with my autoimmune disease, and now I'm 41 years old, and my body is in better health than it was when I was in my early 20s and through my 30s as well. So follow me on my journey. I'm here for you. If you would like online wellness coaching, I do that as well. You can view my website, www.holisticdanny111.co.uk, if you would like to get booked in. Thank you guys. Sending you lots of peace, love, and wellness. And for supplements, you can also get them from me via Amazon. I will put the link underneath. And any supplements you need on my Amazon list, you can always just send me a message and I'll put them onto there. You can also look onto my website and the link is on there too. So you can get the glutathione and the NAC on my Amazon supplement list. All right, guys, have a beautiful day.